biographies written on prophet in the countries all over the world in so many languages. They all describe that Muhammad was chosen by Lady Khadija for her consort when she sent her for trade, and he came back with money and much benefits. And that for his abilities she had chosen her. But the are of the view that Khadija chose him for his social works and for his love he cherished in his heart for the God. The world should at least now realize the truth behind the love between Khadija and Muhammad. Muhammad's name flourished all through the Meccan city, for he was working for so many social reforms, including the avoiding of feeble feminine infants. Now, he was chosen by her for his good nature. This poem describes how she chose her. The love affair between Muhammad and Khadija seeded on him a brainstorm that set right the entire world by the way of these Quranic revelations. That is a truth. The hour is forenoon, the sky looks cloudy. Under the rainbow, the earth makes a melody. Amid the sand dunes in her citadel shady stood Khadija, the Meccan lady. Behold, madam, there comes the man again, the talk of the town, the flower of the women. Hush, this juvenile boy do you mean? Man grabbing the cause of the feminine? Khadija asks her friends. With her mates, behold Khadija the dame from the story, Muhammad the youth of fame, crown of the ring. She pretends to defame, yet he had become already her flame. As he comes nearer her splendid fort, his face so serene and looks of comfort, rises her beat, she does her thoughts convert. Uprising commands appear no more. He in 20s, she in her 30s, at age no bar, when hearts glide at heights. Does he belong to the clan of Quraysh? She asks. Yes, ma'am, but an orphan with good traits. Eyes lingering on eyes with longing, divine dictum Muhammad and Khadija is in living. Trumpets are blowing. Across the heavens doves are flying. Her pitiful thoughts over him hover. A cold cirrus weighs on her. Is he the blessed one, the cloud shower? She again asks her friends. She shrieks. Is Mutalif his grandsire? Yes, ma'am, Abdullah, his dad is. Ma'am. He steps down to bid him welcome. By the stairs he escapes again. A gleam from his eyes appeasing her view. Night full of blissful dreams she spent by concurrent days. The dawn was pleasant. She by her window avails her presence with the agony of love passes by the adolescent. Her garden blooms with roses everywhere. Her garden blooms with roses every morn. Her villa is full of joy and jokes on John. The Cupid's play hushes those on. The mystery of love to the world not known. This mystery of love to the world yet not known. No child of feminine be killed anymore. No woman be slaved or made a whore. By her glances she does him inspire. By the glances of Khadija, Muhammad is inspired. By her glances she does him inspire. That no child of feminine be killed anymore. No woman be slaved or made a whore. The revolution starts through love's clamor. That is the truth behind the love between Khadija and Muhammad. Again it was a dusk of delightful eve. Sneaking to the window, Khadija stood live. Her maids hurray as her fiancé there arrived. Oh, the favor of the dame, what is thy grief? She by the window, he on the lawn. The maids from hide below the horn. They appear to the world already known. O golden lady, the pearl brightens thy crown. They appear to the world already